Yeah, yeah. Big vibe, a look no stress, you get me? I'ma listen to me now. Make we yarn the truth. Let's go.
Alright guys, to convert this one into portrait, this landscape, all you need to do, if your interface is like this, drag it from here, click and drag, push it to one side, right click on it, say duplicate, and here, whatever you save, end it with portrait, and say okay. Don't click here. Then once it duplicates, you can see there are two files, so you can drag this one out. This is our portrait. The next thing to do is right click again and go to canvas size. You can see the number. The width here is 3840 and the height is 2160. All you need to do is to switch the number. So I'm going to copy 3840, paste it here and make it 2160. You click OK and wait for the computer to do its work. If your system is fast, it will work fast. If it's slow, just be patient. You can zoom out, control minus, and you see this. And that is all. All you need to do now is to arrange. Like I will position the picture somewhere here and leave it this, let it come in a bit, something like that. Take the iconic flower, bring it down. My system is losing resources now. I need to be careful. I've been working since, so take this one down. The name, this, I'll take it, let me bring it up here. Then my background, I can start to arrange the background. Let me take the background from here, drag it up, and drag it up just like that. Or you hold shift and size it to the page, something like this. Hold shift. I'm holding shift while I drag this, so you can drag separately. But if you don't hold shift, everything will scale up together. As I do this, I'm holding shift, I press accept or apply, and it's like that. This one here, let me take it up like this, and this is real time. If you pay attention to your work, this work won't take your time. There was a mistake that I had to do undo and go back to drag it again. Then I see that, yeah, that is good there, but the Ademola is too big, so I can reduce it just like that. Reduce it. I think this size is good. Accept. I want it at the center, so I can go here, selection, change it to canvas, then center. It's good to center the biggest object first, so you can now align the tinier ones to it. I'll align this, then reduce it. It's too big, somewhere there. Press enter or double click or click accept. Tag it in, I'll move it up a bit. Yeah, then this text here, I'll drag it up and let it align. I want it to align with the A, and you can see it's snapping to it. That's why the pink line is showing. Once it shows, it means it snapped. Then I can come into the text tool, click inside here, and drag this back, drag this downwards. And I think I want this one back more. Then I want here to come down. I want it to start from somewhere here. This now I need to make it bigger. Font is too small. To make it bigger, character, the size is 60. I would rather make it, let's try 72 and see. It's still small. I will go for 96. I think this 96 is, and I think I want it to be bold. So I need to go and choose a bold font. This okay, yeah. This is Fox bold. This is, it will be bold now according to Photoshop. Yeah, I think it's bold enough. I can go back to my paragraph and see, okay, I have this. I think I want align to left now. Align to left, yes. Come to text to, this is blocking the view. All you need to do is pay attention. If you pay attention, you will see the way I'm moving. This text tool I chose last. I click inside. Because this plus sign is here, it means they are still hidden text. So I click and drag down to see. And you see this text. Nice. Then I think this prince and the rest should move up a bit so that I can have more space down. I will move this up like this, this like that, this like this, enter, and this I'll position up just about there and bring it to front of the picture. This is the layer. From your layer, dragging it up so it can be on top. Please save now, Ctrl S, or go to file and save. So it's already portrait. I don't need to type anything. I'll say save. So I want to zoom in, so to actually get my attention on to this, so I can see this is okay, or I can take it from here, from this side, bring the sculpture down, 2D and 3D, and bring those one down. So I'm trying to trace my face out of the text. This is a manual way of doing it, but do it if you know you can. If you can't, please just leave your work very simple. I want simple work. I don't want complicated work. I'm going to leave the producer there. I will shift the work later and move this one down. Video director, let me move it down. Publisher, I will leave it. Coach, and I'll move this one down too. 25 years. Move this down. Okay. And television, move this one down. Broadcast, move this one down. Wow, this is something. Okay. Open up. There are more hidden text down here. And let's see. And I think I'll leave it like that. The rest I'm going to delete. But if I want the rest to enter, all I need to do is reduce the text. So like, say is 96, let's make it 90. Yes, I think 90 is looking more like it. I'll start all over again. Sculpture is going up, 3D is good, this is good, this, I'll bring it down, this is good, this is good, this is good, this is good, 25 years is good, book publishing is good, television, bring this up, and this down, and I will leave the rest like that because I have a plan. And the plan is to add white outline. I want to add white outline to the text. So this is the text layer. Then we go to effect down here, click on it, see stroke is like that. Please pay attention to this, is in 1 and it is black. If you make it 2 by just arrow key up from your keyboard, 2 it goes, the number will increase. Yeah, I'll leave it at 2 first, go to the black, make it white. Okay, let's see blue, let's see this blue, or let's take from this blue, I think from this here. Yes, I don't mind that. I can increase it further. Yes, and I will say okay. I'll leave this like this. Let it go up a bit. Some things I think are missing that I need to bring in. The lion. Okay, just clicking on it on the layer appears here. Then you can, I think it's better you zoom in so you won't misclick, you won't wrongly click where you are not meant to click. You see from there you can't select it. That's how they did the app. All you need to do is go back and select. You can use the arrow key on your keyboard to bring it in. By just holding shift, it comes in faster. And yes, let me zoom in more so I can speed up. Actually, that is what zooming in does for me. Makes you to actually focus more. The attention is actually drawn to what you are doing. Okay, I want it to be lighter, so I think the blues, let's see the blues. Yes, this guy. I will stay with that, and voila, this is okay. Save. You want to convert to JPEG, go to file. Okay, still saving. The file is saving. Okay, save. I think I didn't close that one. I'll close it. Save. Then you can go file. You can go export as. It's JPEG already. If you want to change it, you change it, but there's no point. Just do save and make sure it's in where you want it to be. It's inside here, and that's how I want it to be. And that is that. Thank you for watching. See you later.